What I wish I knew at the start of cold season. Thyme isn't just for cooking. Thyme, yep, that little herb you sprinkle on your roast chicken, is actually a powerful natural expectorant. That means it helps clear out mucus and relieve those pesky coughs. Thyme's magic lies in its essential oils, which have antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties. So when you're feeling that tickle in your throat, a warm cup of thyme tea could be your new best friend. Simply steep a teaspoon of dried thyme in hot water for 10 minutes, strain and sip away. It's soothing, natural, and right from your spice rack. So next time you feel a cough coming on, skip the syrup and reach for thyme instead. Your future self will thank you. Remember, nature's got your back and your throat. Stay healthy, stay herb savvy.